Most people scroll past videos like this and stay broke, but the ones who pay attention, they build income streams like this, where AI does the work while you sleep. In this video, I'll show you one of the easiest AI side hustles that anyone can start for free with no experience and start getting paid daily. I'll break it down step by step, show you the tool, how to use it, and how people are getting paid. Let's go. Step 1, go to Durable.co. It's an AI website builder that creates full business websites in 30 seconds. Yes, literally 30 seconds. Step 2, the side hustle. You use this tool to build websites for local businesses, like hairdressers, mechanics, gyms, or personal trainers. They hate tech, but they love results. Step 3, where to find clients. Post examples in local Facebook groups or message businesses directly. Here's what to say. Hey, I build websites for small businesses for free using AI. Only pay if you love it. Most people charge $200 to $500 per site. Once they say yes, you build it in Durable. Takes 2 minutes. Then send the site and get paid via PayPal or Stripe. Rinse and repeat. Even 3 to 4 a week equals more than most jobs. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online right now. No skills, no tech, just AI doing the heavy lifting. Comment freedom if you're ready to leave your job. Subscribe and like the video for more faceless AI side hustles and passive income ideas.